Alright, so now we're going to be looking at some solutions to our DOM selectors tutorial on creating a list with JavaScript that can add DOM selectors. So here's our code on the right. We have our button dot getting the elements for the buttons, create list element. Here's our little shopping list that we did, so whenever we click enter it'll add something to the bottom of the list. Get it done today. And here's alternative answers for our questions on DOM events. So here's a nice bit of code with some CSS. Tool title. And if we wanted to copy this, we can create a file, new folder, DOM events, and now we can add file, new file, index.html. We can do file style.css, and we can do script.js. Right, so we can get this HTML, Control C, do our own HTML input here, head body. We can, with a content chart set, copy this HTML, Control C, enter it in there. Now we can get the CSS, Control C, go to styles.css, and we can do for the JS, we can get the one for this alternative solution, Control C, we can go to script.js, import.add event listener, add this attribute. If the event key code is equal to 13, so if it presses the enter key button, we have created this element remove button class. Now if we open this, open live server, you see we have a nice shopping list here. We zoom out, shopping list, get it done today. If you click hello, enter, it gives us the hello item, and if we want to remove it, we click on it and then we go remove. Then John, run, cookies, so we're adding items. And now if you go to console, live reload enabled, so we're not getting on anything on the console, which is good. So remove, run, remove, get it done today. Very nice, and we have a nice background as well. So that's some solutions to the DOM events exercise, so I thank you for watching. We're adding some functionality to our website, very exciting, and I'll see you in the next one. Comment below if any projects you like to do, or any projects you're currently doing with JavaScript, and I look forward to hearing you. Good luck.